it's even later than the video that I made earlier on, but just really quick, I'm going to show you my drawing. But first, before I show you guys my drawing that I made, can you guys like it 5 seconds again? So I can get more likes. I'm going to count now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Have you guys liked this video and subscribed? I hope you did. I am getting disturbed right now while this video is going because Helen is actually messaging me in Spark since I have her in Spark. She's keep messaging me. But anyways, let's still show you guys my drawing. Here it is. Do you guys like it? It took me a bit long to do this, but do you guys love it? I hope you do. I tried my best to do like these. Hannah, stop messaging me, please. Hannah's messaging me so much. Do you guys love it? Do you think it's amazing? I made this all today, and I was like, do you really think I can finish this? And I actually did. I started before dinner, like almost when I was gonna have my dinner. Like I was continuing a little bit of this. Then after, I actually got like all of what I want to have here. I can't believe I did it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.